Hello, my name's Carol and I'm a chef for the London Early Years Foundation and I'm based in Earls Court. Today I'm making the easy berry crumble cheesecake, which is super easy and an absolute favourite of the children in the nursery. For this recipe you will need 300 grams of cream cheese, 300 grams of Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of honey, optional, but do not use if you're making it for children under the age of 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 400 grams of any frozen berries and 1 lime zest and juice for the topping. And for the crumble base you will need 150 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of oats, 150 grams of butter or optional margarine for children with dairy intolerances and 2 tablespoons of honey. Heat the oven up to 200 degrees Celsius, 180 with a fan oven or gas mark 6. Put the flour, oats and butter in a bowl, squash with your fingers into a crumbly texture. Sprinkle over a baking tray, drizzle with honey, stir in and bake for 10 minutes. Stirring through roughly to break up halfway through cooking. Leave to cool. Divide the crumbs between small serving dishes or 1 large dish. Beat the soft cheese, yogurt, zest of a lime and vanilla together until smooth, then spoon over the crumbs and chill. Meanwhile, take the berries and blend half with the honey if using and juice of the lime. Pour this on top of each cheesecake and scatter with the remaining whole berries. Serve or leave in the fridge till ready to serve.